To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. In times when it feels like your life is spiraling out of control, you'll find that the best solution is to slow down and to simplify your life. It's just like spring cleaning. The benefits of a simple life cannot be overemphasized. It adds years to your lifespan because you can live a life free from constant stress and anxiety. With a slower paced life comes better sleep and health, both physically and mentally. However, you must understand that simplifying your life is not an overnight process. It starts from small changes and small life goals until they become a habit. Here are 5 simple ways you can simplify your life. 1. Declutter your material possessions. If you have not used an item in more than 18 months, chances are you might never need it again. Therefore, do a spring cleaning of your closet and your cabinets and keep only the essential things. Some people tend to hoard things due to emotional attachment to these things, but if you want to live a simpler life, you need to reevaluate your attachment to all of these things. You can donate them to good causes or recycle them. 2. Learn to say no. The ability to say no to people affords ample time for yourself and keeps you away from piling on too many responsibilities. Sometimes you don't want to disappoint people, so you say yes to commitments, even when they don't necessarily make you happy. In the end, you find that you're involved in so many things that do not add value to your life. 3. Get rid of past hurts and habits. Holding on to hurts and aches of the past will only add mental weight that will complicate your life. If you want a simpler life, you have to forgive whom you should and get rid of past baggage. Clear up your mental space and open your mind to the endless possibilities that life has yet to offer you. 4. Gain back your time. Being too busy or occupying yourself with mindless activities can clutter your life and make you feel like you do not have enough time for the important things. Therefore, have a list of things to do and stick only to these important, life-enriching activities. If you found yourself spending too much time on activities that aren't productive, like playing video games or watching TV, it's time to let some of it go. 5. Cut out toxic people. Toxic people sap away your energy and make you feel drained all of the time. If someone is being toxic and bringing bad vibes into your space, cut them out. You don't need them in your life to bring you down. Have you tried to simplify your life? What ways were you able to accomplish this? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.